Hi everyone, Shubha Mohalaya, and today we are going to bring you some pretty nice new sarees, and mostly we are stressing on Begum Puris today. Just give me a few minutes so that we'll just wait for everybody to join us. We still have around 8 minutes for it to be 5:30, so we'll just wait for everybody to join us. Just give us a second. Yeah, we're almost about to start. So this is one more. So it's almost time. We have five people already watching us. It's 5:37. Hi, Nilendra. Good evening. Shubha Mohalaya. So what we'll do is we'll start with a few of our basic dance with you and brighter ones. We'll start with slightly lower ranges. So we'll start with our very popular matka. Uh, I am putting on the back lights. If for some reason the visibility is difficult or you cannot hear me, do let me know and we'll do the adjustments likewise. So, there we are. So for bookings, before we begin, I'll let you know for bookings, you can contact WhatsApp number 9051339185, which is my personal WhatsApp number. You can also get in touch with my messenger handle on Facebook or on Instagram, which is under Vekla Munshi or Durga Saris. Or you can also get in touch with my friends from Bangalore, which is Surgi Modi and Divya Choirathan, or their handle Thiascape, and we'll get back to you if your sari is in stock. We'll be happy to give it to you. So why we are doing this today is because it's Mohalaya, and I know a lot of people are very antsy about getting hold of their first puja wear and for first saris or gifting saris, and because of the situation that is going on, a lot of us are unable to go out. So this is, I think, one of the best ways to do this. Um, so you can be at the comfort of your home while I show you the things that I have personally picked up, and with my, with of course, through my friends, the group has picked these sarees up, and these are extremely lightweight. So we'll start with our khadi matkas, which is extremely popular. Now, bear in mind the matkas come in handloom as well as palloon versions. The palloon versions are definitely and obviously slightly cheaper on the cheaper variant, but we only house the handloom versions. So this is a turquoise version of it. So what I'll do is I'll bring it closer for you to have a look. I hope that the sari is visible. It ends in tassels like this. So all you have to do is drape it this way. All you have to do is drape it this way. So this is a turquoise matka. We retail these at 1500, but if you buy it from us today, it's available for Hi Pallavi. It's available for only 1350 today. This is the color. As you can see, there's a beautiful undulating colored variation going on because these are all double-threaded thans. When you double thread them, what happens is there are two threads going, one in x-axis and one in y-axis. The x-axis loom basically weaves with the turquoise one, and the y-axis loom weaves with black, which is why you get this beautiful undulating color in them. I hope you can see it. And the drape is, again, as I said, amazing. It's a beautiful drape, and these all end in these beautiful pom-poms in here. These are woven pom-poms. So if any of you all like it, it's 1350, and if you book it today, we are including shipping only for bookings that we are getting on Mohalaya. This is a Mohalaya special gift to our loyal clientele and our friends. So this is 1350 only, including shipping, only if you book it today. So if you like it, please do take a screenshot. And if you want to pair it with any blouse, like an ikat blouse or a floral blouse, this goes very, very well with that. So 1350 only for today. Now, bear in mind, this comes in a lot of colors, but today we only have a few pieces because As I was saying, this is one of our fastest selling items, and this just goes out like that. It's just gone before you know it. So this is an onion pink variant of it. As you can see, the undulating color workmanship is also here. It's got black threads, as obvious from the light border on the side and the ending of it. It's got black and pink threads, which gives it this beautiful raw silky look, which is why we are calling these matkas, because of the uneven weaving. Now, the uneven weaving only happens when you're not doing it in a power loom, but you're doing it in a hand loom. And as you can see the quality up close, this is absolutely pure cotton. And this is what it will look like in onion pink. It's 1350 only if you book it today. And for today, we'll be including your shipping as a Mahalaya gift from towards us. So 1350 onion pink matka. Now what I'll do is I'll just take you, rather I'll just show you what's on display. So as you can see, this sari is on display. It's a beautiful mohar booty. This is a beautiful turquoise color mohar booty. And I'm sorry, you can see the street outside, but yeah, there's a beautiful mohar booty in turquoise. These are all woven, as you can see, in gold. So what I'll do now is I'll show you a few variants of the mohar booty. I'll show you a few variants of the mohar booty that comes. Now the mohar booty is what we sell at 1800. We sell the mohar booty at 1800 generally, but for today we'll be selling these at 1500 only. Now again, these comes in a lot of thread variants, but specifically this one, one second, have you played it? Goa, please. Yeah, please play it or else you won't know. And turn the sound off. There's a sound button on the. So these are color variants for the mohar booty. This is a beautiful hot pink one. Again, you can see it's woven all over. The archel is woven all over with this. The blouse piece is also included, but of course, since these are the plainer versions, you can wear it with any other color. So 1500 only with shipping included for today. This is 1500 only with shipping included for today. The mohar booty comes in some other colors. Now the others I will not be opening the entire sari. I just wanted to show you the look. So this is one more color. This is a beautiful Byzantine color, and it comes in uh, four other colors, but this is the one that does very well on our line. This color specifically is very well loved. So this again is 1800 on our MRP, which for today it's only 1500, and the shipping is included if you are booking it today. You can book it with me, Divya Shaurigatan, or Surabhi Modi at Thiascape or Toga Sarees, or you can WhatsApp directly to my number 9051339185. So once again, if you want to take a screenshot of this saree, $1,500 only for today. These are pre-puja sale sarees. We are doing this as a part of our Mahalaya special today. And this again is a beautiful color. It's a beautiful navy blue. I'll just go a bit further away so you can see it. It's a beautiful navy blue color. And again, if you're draping it like this, you can see how it looks with a printed blouse. You can also go with a sheer silk blouse of this color, or if you're buying or if you're going for a silk blouse, try and make sure there is a little bit of duality going on because it looks nice. Because these have a little bit of duality because it's slightly tissued, so they have a little bit of duality going on. So this is 1,500 only for today. This is another color, pretty bright. It's indigoish royal blue color. Again, same type. The design is same type, and the fall again is beautiful. It's a very, very light fall, very easy drape. For people who don't like wearing starchy sarees, this is the kind of saree that you would require. This is extremely light, easy drape, and because it's mostly on the plainer side, it's very easy to pair these sarees with any kind of blouses that you have. And this year, more than any other year, it's very difficult to like go to your tailors, get everything prepped up, paired up. So for that, this is one of the best things you can have in your cupboard. Any blouse that you have ready, if it's got a little bit of a gold sheen going on, or even a solid colored silk blouse which is slightly off, say with this, pinks go very well. If you have a saree like this and you have a nice bright pink blouse, or a beautiful green blouse, or a Mayurkonthi blouse, this will go fabulously with this saree. So 1,500 with including shipping only for today. If you are booking it today with us for a Mahalaya special, we are doing this for you. If you like anything and if you want to book with us, if you want to book before anybody else gets to it, because we mostly have one pieces only of this, which is why we are trying to we have like lowered the prices as a sales effort today. These are only on one pieces before pujas and before your festivals begin. So book it right now. Book it with Divya Shori or Suki Modi, and they'll get back to you as soon as possible to confirm if the sari is already not booked and if you can have your hands on it. This is a beautiful, beautiful, rare, very rare color. A beautiful bottle green color. I hope you can see it. It's a beautiful bottle green color. It's deep enough that it borders on almost black, but again, this is specifically what we call the bottle color of a red wine. It's a green bottle that it comes in. So this is that exact antique wine green color. So it's actually very fun because I get to see outside of my store and there are people waving flags. So it's cute. So this is a sari, 1,800 generally on MRP, but for today's flash sales, it's 1,500 only. And all you gotta do is order it right now, and your shipping is free for today. So 1,500 including shipping for today. So we showed you 4 colors in all, 6 colors in all of this. Just repeating once more. This is one color. This is one more color. This is navy, and this is the Byzantine. This also comes in with hot pink and a beautiful turquoise shade. So now we'll show you. I think before the Romia that I'll show you the plain thons. Yeah, these plain cotton linen thons are doing very well with us, and we sold out our stock for this during our last live, and the viewpoints of customers and the feedback of clients has been so positive on this sari that we've gotten a few more pieces. This is as you can see, it's sorry, my carrots are working up. This, as you can see, is a beautiful, beautiful ebony piece. This is a cot linen. A cot linen, why? Because, as I said, a loom goes with the X and Y axis. So one of the axes are weaving in a linen thread, the other is cotton. So these are pure cot linens, which is why the drape is extremely well. So this is one sari in black. It's got a beautiful, beautiful silver woven border, and as you can see, the archol has chuli here, and even at the beginning of the archol there is silver chulis here. So these look very nice if you are pairing it up with heavy junk silver jewelry or black metal ones like this. So this will immediately bring out the look of the sari. So if you still haven't got your black number for the pujo and the festivities for Diwali yet, this is your black number. We generally call this the LBD of saris, little black dress of saris, the black sari that everybody wants in their cupboard, which is an easy throw and easy drape that you can pair with any blouse. So this is that. Again, if you look closely, these are all woven in the hand loom and not power loom. Sound break করছে কি? Can you all hear me? I mean, I don't know if all of you all can hear me. Can you all hear me? Hey, Sylvie. Omita aunty, sound is breaking. Okay, I'll try and be yes, our first light from the store, as Divya rightly puts it. We tried to coincide and make sure that the store opens on Mahalaya. So the store has opened today on Mahalaya, and we are still to get a lot of our deliveries, but we just want to make sure that it opens. We open on a very, very auspicious day. Okay, that we open on a very auspicious day. So again, the black sari. This again is retailed at 1800 gently, but if you're buying this today, it's available for 1500 only. Black piece. This is our last. Brilliant, Survi, thank you. This is our last piece in black before the pujas. Specifically because we are not picking up any more of these right now. We are not asking the production in terms of the tantis this time has been slightly on the lower end, specifically because of situations that has forbidden a lot of them from working up to their high Magdalene, from working up to their like actual strength. So we are trying to do whatever is necessary to bring to you the best that the tantis of Bengal have to offer. Anyway, so this black cot linen with a silver zari border and silver chuli dividers is available only for 1500 if you book today, and we are including shipping only if you are booking with me, Simply or Divya today. So rush in your booking so that you get hold of your sari before your festivities are on. And as a added incentive this year, and again if you are booking it today, and of course this is available for all saris that you're booking before the festivities, we are including a fall and pico free of cost with the sari. So book it right now so that you can get a complete set before your pujas come knocking at the door. So a beautiful sunshine yellow is next. Just look at the color. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It is perfect for puja mornings. It's a lovely canary yellow that you can pair with absolutely any blouse. Especially if it's a Jaipuri printed one, it will look amazing with it. So this is a beautiful yellow, as you can see. And there is a woven silver border in here. These borders are not printed on, they are woven on it. See, in both sides you can see, and this is how you know these are hand loomed. In hand loomed saris, it's the same way on top and on the bottom, and it's a nice squarish weave. So these are cot linens that generally retail at 1,800, but for today we are selling these at 1,500 only, including shipping for 1,500 only. If you are booking it today with me, Surbi or Divya. You can also send a message to our handles at Hiascape and Toga Saris, or you can also WhatsApp me directly at 9051339185. So for those who want a screenshot of this saree, as you can see, it's a very, very bright saree. It's perfect for day wear if you're wearing it during the puja mornings. The same saree again. This time it's in a beautiful green. It's got a nice duality going on. I don't know if you can see the color. I'll just go a bit back. I think it's easier that way. It's a greenish yellow color. Sorry, a yellowish green color. What we in Bengali we generally call it Kochi Kola Pada green. So it's like new leaf or young leaf green. Okay, so that has a really a little bit of yellowish tinge to it. Again, in here you have a woven silver border with woven silver chudis in the achol. And again, this is extremely easy drape. I think you can see how easy it is, and this is done in the achol, of course. And this is how like patla and how easy a drape it is. It's a beautiful green, yes, Surti. It's a beautiful green. Again, these saris are extremely pliable. As you can see, they don't wrinkle. Just to show it to you. And they are extremely, extremely thin because of the linen threads that is involved in them. And again, these are retailing at 1800. But for today, if you're booking it today with us, it's 1500 only. So book it with us at 1500 only, and it will include shipping if you're booking it today with me, Sylvie or Divya. Okay. And we are only left with one printed linen this time. So this is the same linen in white, and it's digitally printed like this. And it's digitally printed like this. Beautiful grey. I'm sorry, beautiful white with grey prints on it. These are all birds. I'll just go a bit back so you can see it. Again, the speciality of these saris is it's extremely, extremely easy to drape them, and it's extremely easy to maintain. And for people who are first-time wearers or people who don't generally wear saris that often, these are the saris that are the easiest to drape of the whole lot. This is the achol, and you can see the blouse piece from inside of this. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and when you drape, this is how the sari will look. The entire body goes like this. This sari generally retails at 2,200, but today on a special price sale, if you are booking it today with us, you are getting this for 1,800 only. 1,800 only. Book it now with either Suthi or Divya. If you want to message me directly, you can leave a message at 9051339185. But you have to wait a bit. I'll get back to you after I finish the live. So till then, if you really are in a hurry to book, because these are all last pieces and single pieces only, just quickly book it with Surbi or Divya, and they'll be happy to book it for you. Okay, now we'll go to our. So this is another matka. 1,500 is your retail price, but for today, if you're booking it, we are selling it at 1,350 only. This is one of our best-selling colors. If you want a proper drape pick of it, you can go to our website Kiascape, and it is draped beautifully with a matched up blouse piece. But till then, this is what the sari looks like, and again, beautiful drape, beautiful color in grey. 1500 on MRP, but available today only for 1350 if you book it. And today's booking includes shipping only if you book it today. Again, as you can see, the drape is extremely fine. The drape is extremely fine. Let's see if I'm folding it this way. And this is all in 6 folds. Just look at the way it pleats. The pleats are sitting very well. And again, because it's in a double thread version, the weaving is in double thread. One thread is definitely darker, the blackish one, and the other is wine colored. So, which is why it gets this beautiful silk-like undulating coloration. But this is pure cotton. This is pure cotton. This has no other mixtures to it. There is no blend to it. This is pure cotton khadi. So 1350 only. Book it right now with Surhi Modi or Divya Shoirajan. This is our last piece in stock. So if you are fond of Lena sarees, this is the one you should go for. Now, our malls have been pretty popular and they've gone out very fast. In fact, we could not upload a lot of them, but I'll show you 2 of the malls that are in stock today. We'll be back with more of them before Pujas, hopefully. This is our first mull of live. The other mulls, we could not bring it on your live. It's got a beautiful, the color keeps darkening. It's actually a beautiful periwinkle or powder blue color. I hope that it's visible. So this is a beautiful powder blue. It's a beautiful powder blue mull. Sorry, it's a beautiful powder blue mull. These look just like our khadis, but you can see the ply. It's fully cotton, and it's very fine in quality. Fully cotton and very fine in quality, and very easy to drape and maintain. These are home wears and home drapes. You can just spruce these up with a little bit of a nice printed blouse, or what is very in right now is embroidered blouses. We have a few of those in stock, but because we already have a lot today, we will be showing it to you today. But tune in for our next live. We'll be having most of the blouses for our next live. So, Alina, the blue, darling, Alina, would you want to know the price of the blue mull, or because I showed quite a few blue sarees. The blue mull is 1300. The blue mull is 1300. Sorry, 1300 with shipping included if you are booking it today. It's a beautiful periwinkle and powder blue one. Again, this is woven in the loom, as you can see the striations. It's woven with white and blue, which is why you get this beautiful powdery blue color. This is only 1300. And we'll be showing you another mull. This is truly a beautiful mull. This is checkered, and just look at the, I don't know if you can see, look at the way the cotton grabs in your hand. It's so soft. It's like you're touching a powder puff. That is how soft it is. So this is your sari, and this is the aanchal. This is the rest of the sari. This is how the sari goes. So this is our other mull. It's a beautiful checkered one, and this is the border. This mull is 1500, and this is the only piece we have in stock today. We are hoping that more of them will be coming to our store in a few days, but till then, this is the only one we have in stock today. It's a beautiful checkered piece. I said, again, what we need to always stress on, because a lot of my customers are asking these, if the sarees will fit in terms of length. So let me assure you, I am pretty much on the taller end, not very tall, but pretty much on the taller end. I'm 5'6", and I'm holding the sari at my foot, and as you can see, the sari has come up to my chest. So I, I think it should drape anybody who needs to be draped in this, and it's going to cover the whole lot of you. See, mostly a lot of people have reservations with saris if you buy off the rack that it is not covering the entire length, and when you're walking around, it keeps lifting up and it looks very uncomfortable or it looks badly draped. Won't happen with these saris. However much soft it is, won't happen with these saris. As I said, this is a mull. Look at the quality of it. This is how soft it is. It's beautiful and soft, and again, absolutely wrinkle free. This is 1500 if you book it today. No shipping included. No shipping charges extra. It's included in the price, and we'll send it to you. You can easily book it with Surabhi Modi or Divya Shori Rathan, or you can directly message our handle Kiyascape on Instagram and Facebook. You can also message me directly in my handles, or you can WhatsApp at 9051339185. So 1500 only. Please take a screenshot. The borders are aqua and cobalt. We'll be moving on to our next sari. So these are, I'm all showing you the lower ranges first. So this sari is a nice pure red with broad checks. It's a nice bright red. See, Pujo or festivities in India, especially in Calcutta, this time is when you get your reds and whites on. And before you all start off with that, I have a lot of reds and whites for you in stock, so please stay tuned. We'll just move on after we are done with our lower range sarees. We'll move on to that. This saree is generally, it retails at 1400, but for today we are selling this at 1100 only. It's 1100 only today. This is a red checkered saree with gold checks and a gold aanchol. Again, it drapes beautifully. This is a pure soft taan. Again, this is a pure taan and has no other mixtures. As you can see, it has a woven zari border, and these are all woven onto it. So this is 1100 if you are buying it today, and today only 1100 for you. This is our Mohalaya special, and we are trying to make sure that it is as special and for you as possible. We are giving you our single pieces only, and we are giving you our last piece discounts, so that you also have a very happy shopping experience shopping with us today. This sari too is on our last piece basis today. We are selling it off. So this is a cotton mahapar. This is the aanchal. This is again, yes, the reds and whites will be starting off very soon. This again is very bright, and this is which one, Meeta Auntie, that you're talking about? Red and strawberry. Meeta Auntie, I just take a screenshot and send to me, because I've showed quite a few saris. I don't know which one you're asking about. Just take a screenshot and I'll send you a better picture of the sari once the live is over. So this is 1350 only. This is 1350 only. The base is beautiful green. This is the border. Beautiful rust and an olive border. This This is your aanchol, and it comes with a blouse piece just of the same color as the aanchol. Okay, this sari is 1500 and this is on sale at 1350 today. And if you are booking it today, it includes shipping. Shipping is free of cost, and so is fall pico. For fall pico, we will be separating your blouse piece and stitching it. Thank you, Pooja ji. Thank you so much. It's all that love that you give us. The red check, yes, the red check is beautiful. It's pure red, Nita auntie. It's pure red, and the striations in it is copperish gold, and so is the aanchol. It is 1100 only for today, and this one is 1350 if you are buying it of us today. 1350 including shipping. Again, the quality of the cotton is very nice, and it drapes and it pleats very easily. So if you want to take a screenshot, this is your sari for 1350 if you book it with me, Divya Shari or Sulhi Modi today. I hope I stood still enough for you to take a screenshot. Okay. We are done with this. Yeah. So we'll begin with our linens, that is a little bit of worked up linens. Now, we had a few pieces of this and this went out very well last time, so we got another piece. The clients who have taken it off us feel it's very sophisticated. Actually, both people who took it from us are teachers, so they really like the inky blue. I think if I bring it close, you'll understand the appeal of the sari. It's got ink blue striations, beautiful ink blue striations. And look at the border. The border is absolutely solid midnight blue. Just look at it. And this is and look at the unevenness. That's what is pretty about the sari. The thing with a handloom sari, which the way it differs from a powerloom sari, the powerloom sari will go throughout, the threadwork will go uniformly throughout, which looks nice, but there's something very beautiful about the unevenness of a powerloom sari. As you can see this, the unevenness is what adds to the beauty of this sari. This is the aanchol. And again, you wear it with anything bright. This will go. And of course, what I think it will really go well with is if you're using this, if you're wearing this with a nice indigo printed blouse. Now, indigo prints are very in, and a lot of us have indigo blouse pieces. So this, I think, is a easy cheat. If you have a nice indigo blouse, and the basic conundrum that you have before pujos or festivities is which sari, which blouse. So you have an indigo blouse. This is your indigo sari, and I can't tell you how nice and how light the drape is. Look at the way I'm holding it. It's very light. It's amazing. The drape is absolutely amazing. These kinds of saris are my kind, as I say. Look at the way it's thin enough, okay, but at the same time, it is like thick enough for it not to be transparent, but it's thin enough for a beautiful drape. So your ink blue linen, the workmanship on this is in vermilion and green, and so are the striations. So if you're booking this today, you're getting this for 1500 only. If you're booking this today, this is our last piece, you're getting this for 1500 only. 1500 only. I hope you all have all taken a screenshot of this one so that I can move on to my next linen. This is quite a popular color. I don't know if the color is coming right. So let me fix it a bit. I think the color is better here. So this is a deep aqua color. Again, this is a beautiful drape. Absolutely beautiful drape. These saris we are retailing at 1800 only. Only 1800 if you are booking it 1800 if you're booking it today, including shipping. This has a beautiful pink border with an orange icing. Let me bring it closer so that you can understand. Now, similar saris, you will have a lot of people saying selling linens, and I'm not hating or doubting on anyone. This is just because we do get this question a lot, and I think a live is the best time to address that. There are differences in material strength, there are differences in suta count, and that is where the cost of a sari goes up and down, the count of the suta. So while this is linen, as you can see, this is not transparent, this is extremely translucent. I'm holding it against the light, but at the same time, it's still not that. So here I'm wearing it as a single ply, and you can hardly see my blouse. This is how the weaving is. So while it's linen, doesn't mean it will be so far apart the weaving that you can see everything and all. It's the weaving is generally in Bengali we call it harsh, or it's very very close. It's just that the look of the weaving should be uneven. That's what adds to the beauty of it, because loom woven things, the thing about handmade or loom woven things is it's in the like the small nitty-gritties and the small unevenness from where the beauty arises. So this is only 1800 if you're booking it today. Also comes in another color, which is orange. This is the other color in orange, comes in 1800 as well. So spot bookings are available, including shipping, only for today. So I need to keep adjusting because the light, I'm losing the light outside, so I want to make sure you can see the sari, right? So the weaving on this is a parbat linen. The weaving on this is an indigo, green and pink, and it is again repeated in the borders and the achol. Again, a very, 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 very light wear, only at 1800. A very, very light wear. This is another linen. Again, the booty in this is different. Retailing at 1800. For today, this is the achol, and the achol, the border is full zari woven, a full zari woven border. Again, this is retailing at 1800 only for today. This is 1800 only for today. The blue in this is what we call cerulean blue. It's a deeper, it's like, I don't know how many of you are into chemistry, so copper blue, I think, if you know what copper acrylate looks like, this is that blue with a nice pink, and it's got a nice woven zari border, and it is iced in magenta. Again, 1800 if you're only booking today. You can book it with Divya, Story Ratan, Silky Modi, or Nime Klamanchi. You can WhatsApp in the number that is already pinned onto the live today. The WhatsApp number is 9051339185, or you can directly message us at our Insta handle of Theascape, the Facebook handle of Theascape, or the Insta handle of Toga Saris, or you can directly message to any of our personal handles, and we'll be happy to help you today. So please take a screenshot of the sari 1800 only. We are moving on to our next sari. So in between, let me just show you something that arrived just today. These are handmade. I don't know how much you can see. These are absolutely handmade. The base is mother of pearl. Can you see the changing colors? The beautiful neck pieces, again, made by hand. They are totally handcrafted. Let me see if you can. Yeah. Can you all see it? There is an issue with the focus, I think. Yeah. So again, this is a handcrafted pendant, and for people who like wearing large pendants, this is how large it is. And again, let me assure you, I'm a person with pretty large sense organs, orifices, and body parts. So this is how large it looks, even when I am wearing it. This is a large locket, ends into red beads, and it is totally adjustable. This is retailing at 3,000 on today, as per today's sale, 3,000 only. This is not machine crafted. This is totally handcrafted by the traditional Shunars of Bengal. The markets have come down very, very badly for a lot of us, especially for Karigors. And these Karigors have decided they want to do something new, unique, and they don't want to work for the big gold shops that have stopped paying them because of this situation that is ongoing and the ensuing lockdowns that keep happening. So this is something that they have handcrafted themselves. And again, I will totally tell you there are no. I have nothing to do with these. I am just I'm just the person who finds them and sells them to you. The entire kudos for the creation of this goes to the Karigors who are working very hard, and it was such a happy thing that they sent me a picture of their Vishwakarma Thakur today. Today is Vishwakarma Pujo in Bengal, and Vishwakarma is the god of all things creative and industry. So creative people, uh, that is it's a big day for them, and they actually did their puja today, and they were very happy that they could have finished this batch for our clients. This is 3,000 only for today. These come in a lot of shapes, sizes, and designs. If you're interested, please SMS or WhatsApp us, and we'll get back to you with all the details of them very, very shortly. Now, the star of the hour, the Dongriya. We've been selling these sarees off the rack since they arrived. We've already sold one each color, I think. Beautiful colors, white, greens, grays. So this is a cotton Dongriya. Dongriya Kond are from Orissa, and the sari is basically inspired by the sort of weaving of a shawl that the Niyamgiri tribes or the Kondho tribes of Orissa, they make these shawls, and these sari work, the anchal work on this sari is basically inspired by that. These are Dongriya Kond saris. They are made by the Kondho tribes of the Niyamgiri region of Orissa, and they also come in silks. The silks, of course, are very, very costly. So we are just retailing the cottons now. This is a beautiful, beautiful black Dongriya. Our retail price is at 3,500, but we are selling it for 3,000 only if you are booking it today. We are selling it for 3,000 only if you are booking it today. So these come inclusive of blouse pieces, but just in case you are not the kind who likes cutting off blouse pieces and wearing it, you can just wear this with any sort of blouse, any color blouse that you have. So if you are interested in a Dongriya Kond sari, an original Dongriya Kond sari, now Dongriyas and Begum Puris are the biggest things in this time. So the market is absolutely full of people demanding them, and hats off to the weavers who are coming up with beautiful, beautiful pieces every day. So this black Dongriya Kond is going for only 3,000. So if you like this, please book it with us today. and either Divya, Surabhi or me will get back to you about the bookings as soon as the live is over. Please take a screenshot and book it today with any of us. We are moving on to our next Dongriya. Now the Dongriyas come in a lot of colors, as I said, but the colors that um, are working the best during this time is white and black and grey. White and black because since the border, the archole is of different colors, the color play is very nicely visible on the white and the black sarees. So here is your white Dongriya. It's not specifically white, it's a creamish color if you can look at it. And here you can see there are weavings on the sari. The border is woven as well. The Dongriya formed from the Niyamgiri region of Orissa. These are hand loomed, and the designs here are hand woven with a shuttle on the loom by the Kontho tribe. So, what is the speciality of this sari is they are made of a thread that that is spun with amber charkha. Now, if I sit down with that, that's another hour of explaining the charkha to you. But look it up. These are all woven out of yarns that are produced by the hand spun yarns that are produced by the Amber charkha. Now, charkhas, as you know, are hand spinning machines where you spin the thread. So, these are made of hand spun threads, purely hand spun threads, which are again woven on the looms while it is being loomed on the hand loom. These work, as you can see, I'll just bring it closer for you all. This work is shuttle woven on the sari. Now, this specific work is called the Dongriya work. This Dongriya work is inspired by a certain kind of shawl that the Kontho tribe of the Niyamgiri region in Orissa weave. So, other than these two, we also have a beautiful dual tone olive green Dongriya in stock. If you want to see that, please go to our website on Piascape, our Facebook page, our handles, and you can have a look at that. I'll show you the reds and whites now because it is the hour of the reds and whites. And this is a beautiful cotton sari, a mercerized cotton sari from the Bengal Kants. Now look at the workmanship of the border, so intricate. This is from a region called Dolaberi. And look at the workmanship. One side it's black, one side it's red. Just look at the workmanship. This is the anchal. And the rest of the sari, the base is in a checkered weave. Again, which is very evident from the way it's woven, that it's been woven on the loom. The hand loom, not the power loom, of course. So this sari is 3,300, retailing at 2,600 only for today. 2,600 if you book today. 2,600 if you book today. I'll show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece is red with the border. The sari is long and big enough. If you want to cut the blouse piece and do it, it's not an issue. It's for 2,600 only if you're booking today for spot booking because this is our only piece left in this. Now we'll show you the Begum Puris. I'll start with the white and red Begum Puri. Now the Begum Puris have been doing very well. And yeah, so this is your white and black Begum Puri. The base is white. Now Begum Puri, the khasiyat of Begum Puri or the importance or the beauty of Begum Puri as to why they are this popular, in spite of the fact that there is so much of weaving on the sari. The border is pretty broad, and it's almost 8 inches broad, 9 inches broad. The border, the bottom border. So look at the intricacy of the work on this. Even with so much of intricate work, these saris are not heavy at all. In fact, they're extremely easy to drape, and anybody can drape it. Even if you are very bad at sari draping, also, one YouTube video later with this sari, you will be doing wonders because it's just easy to carry it, easy to pleat, which is the basic issue. And again, what is beautiful about these saris is though it's white, and a lot of people shy away from wearing white saris because it might make them look boxy or broader. Sari sits amazingly well in the stomach and the hip area. It cinches it because of the border. It cinches it so nicely that it gives you a nice elongated look. So this sari, we are retailing it for 2,500, but for today, you can get it for 2,000 only, 2,000 only. I hope you all can see the sari. I'll just show you the border area. This is the border, and this is the achol. This actually, this specific style actually really hit the center stage bandwagons since the pretty actress Pauli Dam was seen wearing something like this. She had two red borders on two ends, and it had the Insta fashion version of Tizzy, and since then the sari has had a very good feedback that we've been selling it. And again, if you look closely, you can see the cotton is extremely well mercerized and extremely soft. Just look at how soft the cotton is. Very easy trade. So this is 2,000 only if you are booking it today. 2,000 only. Again, I'll show you the two borders. This is 2,000 only if you're booking today. Now we'll show you the same sari in a grey format. Same sari in grey. For people who are not very okay about stark whites, and this sari has already been pretty heavily. Just one second. Shilpa, so this is also pretty widely adopted just after the white, specifically because a lot of people like the border work, but they don't want to wear the white sari. So for those, this is a perfect sari. This is 2,000 if you're booking it today, 2,000 only. This is 2,000 if you're booking it today. These are pure Begum puris, and the base, as you can see, is woven on a loom. Look at the striations. These are woven on loom. This is a charcoal base. One more in white and black. I think no. Let me just finish this slide first. Yeah. This is charcoal with pink. This is charcoal with pink. Again, this sari is 2,000 only if you are booking it today. It's 2,000 only if you're booking it today. This is how broad the border is, and this is the border on the top. So both of them together make for a beautiful drape. It's 2000 only if you're booking it today. Close up of the sari. As you can see, it's very fine. The material is very, very fine. Beautiful material. A pure Begumpuri churipar in charcoal and pink. This is one of my favorite numbers in Begumpuri this time because the workmanship has come out so well. Just look at the workmanship on this. Beautiful workmanship. This is again on a white base. Just look at the sari. Beautiful light sari with pink embroidery, the chudi part and a thinner part on the side in two shades of pink, a magenta and a rose pink. They've been woven together to form a beautiful undulating workmanship on this sari. This is 2000 only if you're booking it today. 2000 only because Begumpuri is the latest range in the market, and we decided to try and show you very, very authentic and very, very different Begumpuris. So once again, for people who don't know, this sari has been in vogue since Pauri Dam flaunted it on white and red, and this sari is very in this pujo, but we have decided to try different colors to make sure your sari is your own. Just look at the workmanship, the way it sits. 2000 only if you're booking it today. Now for people who want darker Begumpuris, who don't want to wear white or light shades of grey, this the same Begumpuri we have in black. The same Begumpuri we have in black and yellow. Again, look at the workmanship. It's extremely fine and extremely detailed. Again, this Begumpuri type is available, a lot of them, but look out for the work here. Then you will know which is a pure Begumpuri. There are copies like this where the workmanship is very fluffy and you know that is not loom woven. Just look at the fine workmanship on this one. So this is 2000 only. This is 2000 only. This is a Begumpuri, same type, again in black, but the shade work or the combination is with magenta. So again, I'm not opening up this much a lot. This is the sari. This is the other border. Okay. Again, check out the workmanship on this. Extremely intricate. Vandana, what other combination in which one are you asking for? We've already showed 5 combinations in Begumpuri. This is another one. Again, available for 2000 only. If you are booking it today, it's available for 2000 only. Please note these are retail at 2500 on our website on an everyday basis. But as a Mahalaya special or a festive special, we are doing this. This is for 2000 if you are booking it today with either me, Survi or Divya. You can do the bookings on Theascape or you can do it on Toga Saris. Any of our Insta or FB handles you can do it from, you can do it on, or you can WhatsApp it to any of us and we book it for you. So 2000 only. Please take a screenshot. when you wear it, this is what the sari will look like. Broad bottom and thinner border on top. Of course, I'm not opening the entire palla because I don't want to, like, do away with too much of the folds. I don't want to spoil the folds too much. So now I've shown you the usual Begum Puri. Now what I'll do is I'll show you a different Begum Puri altogether. This is also a Begum Puri. This is a Pujo special, but the weaving on it is very different. The border weaving is very different. So this is the border weaving on it. This is the border. So this is where the border ends. This is almost 8 inches, I believe. So this again is available for 2000 today. If you're booking it today, Shilpa, if you're booking it today, it's only for 2000. Generally, we are detailing these for 2500. Again, to people who joined us later. Just 1 second, give me a. Sorry, the light has gone off. So I'll just measure it for you so that you know. So the border is almost 13 inches. Sorry, that was my mistake. If you take this, the entire border, the bottom border is almost 13 inches. So if you're the kind who likes wearing a broad border sari, this is the one you should wear. This is an extremely showstopper of a piece for Pujo. Perfect for Pujo, black and white and red. So if you're looking for a different red and white sari this Pujo, this is the sari you should go for. Available for 2000 only. Again, another Begum Puri, but this is a Begum Puri with a different sort of a weaving. I hope you all have taken a screenshot. And we will move on to our next Begum Puri. This is in a beautiful grape color, worked on with orange and pink weaving. Can you see it? I hope you all can. It's beautiful the way it's been woven. So this is the sari, and what I love is the color combination is very rare. The body is grape, the border is woven like this. These are our new Begum Puris in stock. Now the top border in this one are all 2000 for today. So as you can see, this is the color. So if you liked this, book with us today, and the shipping is free. It's 2000 only. You can book with Divya Shoyathan, Surhi Modi, or me, Meghla Munshi. Just log into any of our accounts and drop us a direct message, or you can WhatsApp in the number pinned with the live. This is another Begum Puri. This too comes in a beautiful top. Our live got a bit paused, network droppage. So turquoise blue. This is the churi border in different colors. You have orange, you have magenta. This is 2000 again for today. This is 2500 on MRP, but for today, if you're booking it for our Mahalaya special and a festive special, we are getting it at 2000 only. Yeah, I think we've gone through most of our sarees today. There are two which are on display. So once I'm finished all of them, I'll just take it off and I'll show it to you all. Okay. So this is a truly special Begum Puri. One of our, we had a very nice Begum Puri last time. It was yellow, white in color with beautiful fish and bird motifs. That is one. So we are showing you this one today. It's yellow in color with a beautiful blue border. See, because the way it's woven, you know it's hand woven because of the striation weaving. And you can see the weaving all over. This sari is woven all over. If you are looking at this side, as you can see, it's woven all over. Okay, the border on this side is pink, the border on this side is blue. So it's woven all over. And this is the achul. This is for 3,000. This is for 3,300, but on sale today, we are selling it for 3,000 only. I'll just show you the blouse piece is plain yellow with borders on both sides. The blouse piece is plain specifically because the rest of the sari is totally embroidered. In Begum Puri, sometimes you have the achal embroidered, sometimes you have the blouse embroidered, but this one, the entire sari is fully embroidered. This is 3,000 if you are booking it today. Hi Olivia. This is 3,000 if you are booking it only today. Again, this includes shipping if you are booking it today. So what I'll do is I'll take off my phone and I'll show you the other Begum Puri for the day. So this is the other Begum Puri that we have today. This is the sari. I don't know if you can see it. This is the sari. This is a fully embroidered one. And just look at the achal. This is the achal. And since it's already draped, I'm not taking it off. This is the blouse piece. As you can see, this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This is the entire sari. This is the front. These are, and this is the achal of this Begum Puri. This Begum Puri sari is 3,000 if you are buying it today. And we are back here. So another white and red sari, our last white and red sari for the day, I think. It's a white and red kulo sari. Why is it called the kulo sari? Entire sari has little kulos woven all over it. Kulos are hand husking machines, you can say not machines, hand huskers. And this is the achal. This is the achal. It's retailing at 3,000 for the day, and look at the weaving. Look at the weaving. It's so beautifully woven. As This is 3,000 if you are booking it today. We'll show you our last two sarees today, and we won't be opening it because the drape picture of this is already given. Beautiful green. This is a beautiful green linen with Dhakai zari work. This is a Korat zari work, which is predominantly seen in Dhakais. This saree is retailing for 4,500, but we are selling it for 4,000 only if you are booking it today. We are selling it for 4,000. Includes blouse piece. This is the achul. So if you are wearing the saree, this is what it will look like. Okay, this is a beautiful green. Beautiful green one. This is 4,000 if you are booking it only. And this comes in another color variant. But this time this is without the zari. It's a turquoise-ish color. It's a beautiful turquoise color with yellow work. Look at the border. See, Kolka Par at one point, Kolka Par, the thing that came up, this Kolka Par means paisley border, was a sign of fortitude and like you were from prosperous household at one point, because Kolka Par shari used to be the rage of cupboards. It still is somehow, I think. There's something about paisleys that is very beautiful and very royal. So it has two kinds of paisleys on two sides. As you can see, two kinds of colors of paisleys on two sides. And what I love about this sari is the blouse is very different. Oh, by the way, let me show you the achol. This is the achol. Look at the achol, it's so pretty. And the blouse piece is actually yellow in color, so that the sari stands out. It's actually yellow in color, the blouse piece. So this is your sari. It's a very, very unique piece. If you're looking for a unique linen, a unique Dhakai linen types, this is the one you should go for. This is extremely unique in its color combination. Very, very unique in its color combination. So it's yellow and deep magenta. So it's yellow at one end and deep magenta on the other. So sari is retailing for 4,500, but if you are booking it today, it's only available for 4,000. So take a screenshot, and if you like it, book it with us today. Of all the saris I showed you, perhaps my favorite today is the red and white Kulo sari. The detailing is spot on. It's amazing, the detailing. Another linen. This has been doing very well, specifically because of the sophisticated color combination this one has. It's a double woven charcoal linen, and from the weave you'll understand how thick the weave is. While it's linen, it's not starchy, neither does it stand, neither is it hard, and neither will it be threadbare. That's not the idea of having a linen. Linens aren't threadbare. This is what it's like. Wait, let me just take out a single ply of it. Yeah. As you can see, it's not threadbare. You can see your hand and all, but it won't be threadbare. Yeah. And so this is the achol. This is the achol. This saree is available for 3,000 only. Sorry, 2,800 if you are booking it today. This retails for 3,300. It's 800 if you are booking today. Now this saree is our last linen for the day. People have really told me a lot about the this one, and we sold a few pieces of this. It's an extremely nice quality linen. The color play is amazing. This is the Ramdhenu linen or the rainbow linen sari. The color coding is inspired by tribal weaving, the weaving pattern it is. This sari retails for 4,500. It's available for 4,000. The quality of linen in this sari is extremely high. It's what we call linen by linen. It's extremely high quality, and this is the blouse piece, so that there's a little bit of oomph to the sari. This is available for 4,000 only if you're booking it with us today. And we have a few limited pieces that we will show you today in men's wear. So this is a shirt. This is a block printed shirt on sustainable hand block printed cotton. This is hand dyed and hand block printed. Priced at 800 only. These are our kurtas, men's kurtas in cotton silk. You can see the shine of it. This comes in sizes 38, 40, 42, 44 and 46. These are the sizes it comes in. The standard pricing on these are 1,800. If you're booking it with us today, you can avail it for 1,500 only. 1,500 only. There's another color. Black, navy blue. It comes in red, dual tone yellow, plain yellow that is, green, olive green, purple, magenta, lots of colors. So just take your pick. If you want to see the colors, you can log on to Priyaskip and you can see all the colors there. You can pick and choose and you can order with us. Now, this is a different one. This too is a cotton kurta. This is priced at 1,800, but if you're booking it with us today, it's available at, this is priced at 2,000, but if you're booking it with us today, it's available at 1,700 only. It's available at 1,700 only. This is another one. This is of a softer cotton material. Softer cotton material, if you book it with us today, this is available for 1,500 only. If you're booking it with us today, this is available for 1,500 only. I will end this session with a look at one of our heavy sarees. Look at this beautiful color. It's a peachy pink. Beautiful peachy pink. This is available. The full price on this saree is 8,500, but this is available today for 6,800 only. This is available today for 6,800 only. This is the achol. This is the rest of the body. Our last saree for the day, we showed it last time, but since the light was not that that good. Since the light was not that good last time, a lot of y'all wanted me to show you the sari again. This is a beautiful Jamevar. Look at the color. The base color is Shituralda, or a beautiful light pink color. Beautiful light pink color. This is the body. Okay. And I'll show you the achal. This is the achal. This is the achal. So this is the sari. This is a truly bridal piece for 10,500. This is available for a discounted price. This is the pleat. This is the pleats. This is the basic base of the sari. This sari is priced, the MRP is priced at 10,500. But if you are booking it with us today, it's available for 8,800 only. It's available for 8,800 only. So I hope you had a very nice time with us today, and I hope we could show you something new, something different. Do look into the Begum Puris again. The rest of you who have missed the live session, we are going to post a recorded and a saved video of this. Just look through it. The Begum Puris are a snatch. You will not get it in this cost anywhere right now, and the colors are very, very different from what you get in the market. So if you really want your like a piece of something different, do message us on the WhatsApp number that is pinned, or you can message Divya Choriratan or Sudhi Modi, or you can directly message the CScape handle on Instagram or FB, or you can directly contact me, Meghla Munshi, on any of my handles, Toga Saris or Meghla Munshi Instagram message. So I hope you all had a very good session. If you all have any questions, just leave it on the postings, and we'll definitely get back to you by tonight. If you all want to see any more sarees, because there are lots of sarees we showed you today, of which we did not show you variants because it's not easy to open all the variants. So just so that we can tell you, we are posting from our store today. And the sari that I couldn't show you properly, I'll just show you once. This is the black Begum Puri. It was hanging, so I couldn't show you. Yep. So this is the achol. This is the achol of the Begum Puri. And the blouse is absolutely to die for. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This is absolutely beautiful. It's woven all over with this serrated weaving. That is the typical traditional Begum Puri weave. This is a showstopper. So if you want a black number in which you want to stand out in, this is that sari. Beautiful pink and orange temple borders. Beautiful drape, as you can see as I'm draping it on. Look at the way it drapes. I hope you've really, really liked our session. And if you like any of our pieces, this by the way is 3,000 if you're booking it today. If you like any of our pieces, please get in touch with us and we'll be happy to help you. There is not a lot of time left before Pujos, which is why we are trying to make sure that you get the best of everything. As we told you, anything you book today the shipping is free of cost. And of course, the following week is free of cost if you're booking it by tonight 12. So thank you for watching, everybody. Have a very, very blessed and good Mahalaya. Shubha Mahalaya to everybody. And anybody and everybody who's also celebrating Vishwakarma Pujo. Happy Vishwakarma Pujo. It's the festival, as I told you, where Vishwakarma is basically the overlord or the god of creation and creators and industry. So if you are in an industry like me, happy Vishwakarma Puja to you. Hope you have a very, very good night and a good weekend. So tune in for more of the lives that we are doing hosting next week with newer sarees. Thank you so much.